Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys another version of the popular foot peeling pack that you can buy in Japan. This is by Bees Up and it's grapefruit kind of based. That's what most of these usually are. This is a kit that has actually two times worth inside. There's the instructions are just in pictures here on the outside of the box. You get the two little booties that you put on, and then when you're done, you just rinse off your feet and then wait up to 7 days for the results to occur to peel off the dead skin on your feet. So it's kind of a nice little kit and pretty straightforward and easy to use. It is not in English in any way, but when you open it up, this is what you get. There's just these two foil packs that include 1 time's worth of the booties. When you open it up, there's obviously 2 booties, 1 for each foot, and there's this little piece of tape here that you use to kind of secure things when you put it on. So I went ahead and put it on my foot. This is what my foot looked like before I used the pack, and you know, it's the end of winter, kind of good time to try to make your feet look nice and pretty. So the day after I put it in, this is what things looked like. It worked pretty quickly. You can see I've got a lot of good dead skin on here. Um, uh, Everybody has different reactions to these kinds of foot peeling packs. Some people have it where their skin kind of peels in these big pieces like this. Other people might have kind of like a sort of peeling that is kind of like tiny and small, almost flaking off in tiny little pieces. And that was actually how the top part of my foot was this time. So every time and how dry your feet are and things like that will probably help kind of change things. As most professionals will tell you, it's advised for you not to peel your skin when you use these kits. I think, you know, if you are careful and you understand when you're starting to get too much resistance to stop peeling and then wait for the next day, it's fine. This was just the first day of how things looked for me here with stuff, and you know, it can take a few while. This actually wasn't the first day right after using it. It was a couple of days later. I think about the 4th day. This is the 5th day after using it. And you can tell it was really falling apart. Now these I peeled right after I got out of the shower, so things were definitely loosened up a little bit too, but a lot more was ready to come out. And you know, it's almost impossible to peel this stuff now because it's so tiny little pieces and flakes that I kind of had to just sort of leave it be. It was a little hard. And you want to kind of make sure that you're careful when you do stuff, that you pick a good time to do this, because you want to make sure that you can wear socks because it flakes everywhere. So if you go barefoot in your house and stuff like that, you'll start seeing, you know, trails of dead foot skin everywhere. So I kind of regretted it because right when I did this, we sort of had a hot spell here, and so I had socks on when I was sleeping to prevent all of the dead skin from falling off my feet and into the bed, and which is kind of gross, I know, but you got to be ready for that. Otherwise, you wind up making a mess all over your house. Now, this is the day after that and after the shower, and pretty much everything was really completely removed naturally. You know, I did help peel some major parts, but then I left the rest to just kind of fall off on its own. So it's, you know, it's pretty, I think it was a pretty good pack to use for sure. And I was happy because this was actually a lot cheaper. The baby's foot one is the, you know, famous one that a lot of people might be familiar with. But that one you get a one-time only kit, and it's like 1,700 yen, which is about $17. Now this kit was, I bought at Don Quixote, and it was $14, 1,400 yen, for 2 times worth even. So this was the next following day after my last shower, and I did buff off my foot a little, so it is a little nicer looking than just using the peel. But I didn't do much, and it really improves your feet, makes everything look nice and pretty again for getting close to spring and summer. So it's definitely a really nice thing to get. I think, you know, it could be a fun kit and a fun thing to try if you guys get a chance to pick one up. And I would definitely recommend it. I thought maybe because it was a different brand it wouldn't work as well, but I was really pleased with the results. It turned out really good. So yeah, I'll have some more kind of fun things like this to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.